Hi everyone, welcome to Spurti's Academy. Before going into the lesson, please like, share, and subscribe Spurti's Academy. Now we are seeing the syllabus for paper 1 AP set. The chapter is Information and Communication Technology ICT. These syllabus are same for NET exam also. In this subtopics are ICT general abbreviations and terminology, basics of internet, intranet, email, audio and video conference, digital initiatives in higher education, ICT and governance. These are the subtopics under information and communication technology. These syllabus are same for AP set and NET also. Let us see, ICT is considered a subset of IT. ICT is Information Communication Technology. It is considered subset of IT, Information Technology. First, we can make a glance at computer generations. First generation. In first generation, computers designed during the period between 1946 to 1959. Altogether, there are 5 generations. We are seeing the first generation now. These include ENIAC, EDSAC, UNIVAC 1, IBM 650. The computers of this generation used vacuum tubes. So these are the first generation computers and they used vacuum tubes in first generation of computers. This is very bulky, big, and this vacuum tube process is big and bulky. Second generation computers, it spreads over the years 1959 to 65. They were characterized by their use of tiny transistors. Fortran and COBOL were two main languages used during this period. Fortran, formula translator, COBOL, common business oriented language. These are in second generation computers. These are the second generation computers you are seeing in the picture. Next one, third generation computers. They exist during 1965 to 1970. They used IC, integrated circuits, instead of transistors. These are the third generation computers. They used IC in third generation. Fourth generation computers, they exist during 1971 to present. It uses microprocessors. These are the fourth generation computers. It relates to personal computer. Fifth generation computers, they exist during present and beyond. It incorporates the concept of artificial intelligence. These are the fifth generation computers. Let us look at the definition of a computer. A computer is an electronic device which stores the data, processes it, and gives the desired output. Let us see the features of computer. Features are speed, accuracy, storage, security, diligence. Speed means computers is a very fast device. It maintains the same frequency of speed, that is speed. Accuracy means exactness. A computer performs its task with accuracy. Storage means a computer can store a vast amount of data up to terabytes. Security is it is one of the important features of a computer. Like we use passwords like that, no? This feature helps in saving data from virus also. Diligence. A computer is a machine and does not suffer from human triads. It performs millions of calculations, that is called diligence. Let us see CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is the main chip in the computer. A computer thinks through CPU and stores data in it. It is divided into three major components. This is the picture of CPU. Yeah, this is it is seeing clearly. This is the CPU and it is having three components. Three parts of CPU: control unit, ALU. Control unit, it directs and manages the activities of the entire computer. ALU means arithmetic logic unit. It is a component that performs arithmetic and logical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, greater than, less than, equal to, like that. All arithmetic information calculations perform in arithmetic logic unit. This is control unit, arithmetic logic unit. Last one, memory unit. It is an internal data storage unit. Let us see the input and output devices. In this exam, input and output devices are very important. We can see first what are the input devices: keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, touchscreen, microphone, touchpad. These are all input devices, and we can see into the output devices: monitor, printer, speaker, headphones, fax. These are all output devices. And there are some storage devices also: hardware, CD-ROM drive, DVD-ROM, pen drive. Next we can see the primary memory. This primary memory divided into two types: RAM. First one, RAM, random access memory. It is a type of a computer data storage, same as main memory. We can read and write data from the RAM. It is a volatile memory. It is very important for net and set exam. About RAM and its abbreviation, these points are very important for the exam. ROM, read only memory. ROM is non-volatile memory, suitable for long-term storage of information. It suits for long-term storage. Secondary memory. It is a place where programs and data are kept on long-term basis, like pen drive, CD-ROM, hard disk. In these, data will be for a long term. PROM. PROM means programmable read-only memory. Like ROM, PROMs are also non-volatile. Cache memory. The processor can access data from memory from much more quickly than the main memory or RAM. You can see at a glance, 1 nibble is equal to 4 bits. 1 byte is 8 bits. 1 kilobyte is 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte, that is TB, is equal to 1024 gigabytes GB. A smallest unit is known as bit. Computers understand only two bits, that is 0 and 1. 0 is off and 1 is on. Number system, bits, binary. BI from binary, TS from digits. The binary number system is a method of storing data in the form of numbers. A computer can store and process the data in two states, that is 0 and 1. A computer can only store in the process of 0 and 1. These 0 and 1 are known as binary digits. Some more important points related to this. Binary 0 and 1 is binary. Octal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 to 7. Hexadecimal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Decimal, as you all know, 0 to 9. You can see some more founders at a glance. The term computer is derived from Latin language. Father of computer or father of modern computer, both are same, was Charles Babbage. Father of computer science, Alan Turing. Father of personal computer is Edward Robert. Inventor of email system, Ray Tomlinson. Founder of Bluetooth, Ericsson. Father of supercomputer, Samuel Winton Gray Cerf shared the title Father of Internet with Robert Icahn. Initially, computer was programmed using machine language. Charles Babbage invented General Mechanical Computer, the analytical engine. The first web browser was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. These are some basics of computer, and in the next video I will post some important questions on previous year questions. If you like the video, if you want to see more important videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.